ty vole, čo to je? Toto je čo? Toto je úplná pecka.
Čaute, moje meno je B-Boy Bios a chcem vás pozvať na otvorenie už 3. ročníka tanečnej školy, ktorý sa uskutoční v Mestskom kultúrnom centre 6.9. a v čase zabudol som kedy?
Bráško, 17:45.
Jo, a už ma bolia ruky, tak ma vystriedáš.
Jasné. Takže brácho, chceš prísť, prídi v tom istom čase, na tom istom mieste, len ty a ja, kondičáky a parkour. Chceš byť silný? Príď.
What? On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Dance floor pro, I know, you know, I go psycho when my new joint hit. Just can't sit, gotta get jiggy with it. Ooh, that's it, now honey, come ride. DKNY, all up in my eye. You got a Prada bag with a lot of stuff in it. Give it to your friend, let's spin. Everybody looking at me, glancing at the kid. Wishing they was dancing a jig here with this handsome kid. Sick a cigar, light from people to bar. Just bite it, for the look, I don't light it. Still wait the hammer on the hand, stay on play. Give it up, jiggy, make it feel like foreplay. Yo, my cardio is infinite. Big women styles all in it.
Brácho, dojdi, čakáme len na vás.
Je to tam!
What? You on the ball with your kid? Watch your step, you might fall trying to do what I did. Mama, I'ma come close side in the middle of the club with the rubber dub. No love for the haters, mad.